Recent scientific studies show that honeybee mortality rates can exceed 50% in some cold climate regions. The decline of bee population is threatening not only our ecosystem, but also the global food security. Our solution, BEEyond Clay, a 3D printed clay beehive that integrates innovative design, natural materials and smart monitoring system, which provides high level of thermal insulation, stable humidity and real-time bee health data, all crucial for the well-being of the colonies. By using clay 3D printing technology, we can create customizable hive designs for specific regional needs and preferences. To implement and scale this project, we need in-house access to advanced 3D printing technology, capable of working with clay and other sustainable substrates. To develop further the design, we will also collaborate with beekeepers to gather insights based on real-world use. Funding will be essential for material research and development, as well as for educational programs for beekeepers and the community. Our team is working with mycelium biocomposites for more than 2 years, and adding clay to our capability portfolio opens up a new and exciting opportunities. If you're interested in BEEyond Clay project, please contact us on Instagram or our website. Together, we can make a meaningful impact on bee conservation and promote a healthier ecosystem. Thank you.